As I mentioned, Discover is not my favorite way to look for literature criticism. The main reason is that Discover contains a lot of information, but it does not necessarily include everything that's in Galileo. Many of the things it doesn't include are about literature. So, to get to these great resources, click on Browse by Subject, then go to Literature, Language, and Literary Criticism, Literature and Literary Criticism. And here you will find a list of databases that are really good for looking for literature research. Now, you might notice that these are in alphabetical order, so these are not necessarily in the order that I recommend them. And actually, one of my favorite databases is down here near the bottom, Gale Virtual Reference Library. This is where the 4-student series is and a lot of other good information. But as you scroll back up here, some of my favorites are Bloom's Literature. Artemis includes some of Gale Virtual Reference Library Literature Resource Center, which is down here, and Literature Criticism Online. So all of those are in Artemis. You might want to just search Artemis, or you might want to go to the individual ones. I would also look at JSTOR. And then if you're still looking, look for some of these others also. Now the other thing you might want to do, we're back on the Galileo homepage. The other thing you might want to do is go to databases A through Z. Now you would use this if you have a particular database in mind. So for example, if you say, oh, I remember she was saying something about blooms, that's what I want to do. So I go to databases A through Z, and then I want to look for blooms. Now you'll notice the Discover search is following me around here. This is the same Discover search that we had on the home page. It does not change function because we clicked one of these other things. So in order to look for the database, we need to go down to this section, and I can click on B for blooms, or I can type blooms in the search box. And a list of databases that contain my search term will come up, and then I can click on the title of the database and it will take me to blooms where I can search or use the functions in blooms.